record button on this one. 58 down to 38 here on the YM. And now it's going to be 60 down to 40 on the YM. Alright, 20 ticks below the top of the bar. You can see all 4 lines in the ribbon were overbought. It should go back down to the zone right here. If it's going to give us a trade, it should go back down to the weekly trading zone. 60 down to 40 is what we're selling right now on that. Okay. Now, this is one of those cases where everything was having a hard time putting in a lower swing right here. And we're going to get filled. There we are. We're filled right now. And we got 1 tick of slip on that. Our stop should be 25 ticks away. We've got 2 ticks of slip on that. Our stop should be 25 ticks away, and it now is 25 ticks away. What we anticipate is that this is going to get all the way down here to the prior swing low, down to 304 right here is where that should go down to. Now we bump the stop to break even after we get 10 ticks in profit. Okay, 10 ticks in profit is when we bump that stop to break even. All these other ones that were going sideways, they seem to be dropping right now. And this, when it gets 10 ticks in profit, it's got to hit right here. Right to there. And we'll hit the break even button. It's going to go one more. There it is. Break even. Okay, so now we don't have any risk on this trade. I'm just going to lock in 2 ticks on this. And it should go all the way down here right now. Alright, we're in at 38. Now, I've always said I'm happy locking in 10 ticks anytime I can. I could have just locked in 10 ticks on that one. The minimum that it should do is get down to the weekly trading zone, these horizontal black lines right here. That's the minimum that it should do. And we're out with 2. Still is the minimum that it should do. Alright, it's still the minimum that it should do. I don't know if it's going to, but we are now flat with 2 ticks on that one.